Adhesive tape secures bandages firmly to wounds, preventing further injury and contamination. Medical gloves protects hands from infection while treating wounds or bodily fluids. Tweezer removes splinters, glass, or debris embedded in skin with precision. CPR mask delivers rescue breaths during emergencies, ensuring hygiene and life-saving oxygen. Scissor cuts gauze, clothing, or tape quickly during first aid application. Plaster covers minor cuts and scrapes to promote healing and cleanliness. Gauze pad absorbs blood and exudate while protecting wounds from infection. Cotton roll provides padding or cleansing support in wound care and medical procedures. Thermometer measures body temperature accurately to detect fever or monitor illness. Antiseptic wipes cleans wounds by killing bacteria to prevent infection before dressing. Cold pack reduces swelling, pain, or bruising from injuries or minor trauma. Hot pack relieves muscle stiffness and pain by promoting blood circulation. Pain relievers eases pain and discomfort from injuries, headaches, or body aches. Antihistamines reduces allergic reactions like itching, swelling, and hives effectively. Antibiotic ointment prevents bacterial infection and promotes healing of minor cuts. Burn cream soothes skin, reduces pain, and aids healing in burn injuries. Eye wash flushes out irritants, chemicals, or debris from eyes safely. Eye patches protects injured or healing eyes from light infection or trauma. Tourniquet stops severe bleeding by restricting blood flow in emergencies. Splints immobilizes injured limbs to prevent movement and reduce further damage. Cast padding cushions and protects skin under splints or orthopedic casts comfortably. Gauze roll wraps wounds and secures dressings while allowing breathability and flexibility. Adhesive strips closes small wounds or surgical incisions without the need for stitches. Wound cleanser gently cleans injuries to remove debris and reduce infection risk. Hydrocortisone cream reduces inflammation and itching from rashes, eczema, or insect bites. Aspirin relieves pain and prevents clot formation during heart emergencies. Acetaminophen eases fever and pain without irritating the stomach, like some alternatives. Ibuprofen reduces inflammation, pain, and fever caused by injuries or illness. Antiseptic spray disinfects cuts, scrapes, and wounds quickly with minimal discomfort. Burn gel cools skin, soothes pain, and protects against infection after burns. First aid manual guides proper response in medical emergencies with clear instructions and procedures. Medical shears cuts through clothing or bandages easily in emergency situations. Forceps grips small objects during wound cleaning or splinter removal procedures. Tick remover safely extracts ticks without squeezing or leaving body parts behind. Snake bite kit assists in first response treatment for venomous snake bites. Sting relief pad soothes itching and pain caused by insect stings or bites. Eyedropper administers precise drops of medicine or wash into eyes efficiently. Saline solution rinses wounds or eyes, gently reducing irritation and infection risk. Wound dressing covers and protects injuries while aiding moisture balance and healing. Gauze sponges absorbs fluids and cleans wounds during first aid procedures effectively. Finger splints immobilizes broken or sprained fingers for proper healing alignment. Toe protectors shields toes from friction, pressure, and further injury or friction. Moleskin prevents blisters and cushions pressure points on feet during walking. Cold compress alleviates swelling, pain, and heat from minor injuries or headaches. Heat wrap eases stiffness and muscle aches by providing consistent therapeutic warmth. Emergency blanket retains body heat to prevent hypothermia in cold or shock situations. Triangular bandage versatile cloth used for slings, bandages, or securing splints. Resuscitation face shield protects both rescuer and victim during mouth-to-mouth resuscitation.